Annotation and discussion breakdown. The objective for today is I will annotate the text according to the guiding questions and annotation key in order to reflect on and analyze the text from my unique point of view as a reader. To start, you'll of course read the text and annotate it while reading with guiding questions in mind. Here's a list of the guiding questions. Number 1, which stood out as the most important? Is there a piece of information that stood out as valuable or particularly noteworthy? Go ahead and underline it. Keep in mind that this is really about your own thinking and perspective, and that there really aren't any right or wrong answers. Number 2, which part did you find the most interesting? Again, this is about your thinking and your opinion. Which part stood out as the most interesting to you? Maybe it's something you can make a personal connection to. Once you've found a part that you think is particularly interesting, go ahead and highlight it. Number 3, which part do you still have a question about? Is there a part of the text that's still unclear or confusing? Did you run into any unfamiliar words? Maybe this is just something that you're still thinking about or wondering about after reading. Go ahead and hit it with a question mark. And number 4, summarize or find an excerpt that summarizes the text. Sometimes a text includes a statement, usually at the end, that perfectly encapsulates the theme or central idea. If you can find one of these in the text, go ahead and underline it with a wavy line. If not, go ahead and write a brief 1 to 2 sentence summary of the text in the margins. Then, after you've made all your annotations, get with a partner or a group and share your findings. Then record your answers and at least one answer of a classmate's using a T-chart. Here you can see the model. You have your 1, 2, 3, 4 guiding questions and your responses to those. And then you'll record on the other side the responses of a classmate's. Now, if you're working with a partner, you'll probably just write down your partner's responses on this side. But if you're working with a group, feel free to change up whose responses you're writing down. It doesn't have to be the same person every time. And that's it. Have fun. You've got this.